Have you ever wondered what the future of medicine looks like? Many people imagine futuristic hospitals with robot surgeons, and while that's not entirely wrong, the real revolution is happening right now, and it's called AI. A top professor at a leading medical school recently made a bold statement. It is not that AI will replace doctors. It's that doctors who use AI will replace those who don't. Think about that for a second. This isn't science fiction. It's the new reality dawning in healthcare. So, what does this actually mean for you as a patient? It means better, faster, and more accurate diagnoses. Imagine an AI that can analyze thousands of medical images like X-rays or MRIs in minutes, spotting tiny details that even the most experienced radiologist might miss. This technology is already being used to detect cancers earlier and more precisely than ever before. It's like giving every doctor a superpowered assistant who has studied every medical case in history. This isn't about replacing the human touch in medicine, far from it. By letting AI handle the heavy lifting of data analysis, doctors can spend more quality time with their patients. They can focus on what they do best, listening to you, understanding your concerns, and developing a personalized treatment plan. The doctor-patient relationship becomes stronger, not weaker. But for doctors who refuse to adapt, who stick to the old ways and ignore these powerful new tools, the future looks challenging. They'll be competing with colleagues who can offer quicker diagnoses, more effective treatments, and better patient outcomes. The medical field is evolving at an incredible pace. Doctors who embrace technology and partner with AI will not only survive but thrive, leading the charge into a new era of medicine. They will be the ones providing the highest standard of care. Those who ignore this massive shift risk being left behind, not by machines but by their more forward-thinking peers. The message is clear. The future of medicine is a collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on AI in healthcare? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.